Welcome to the second episode of Riverbear. Today we will talk about bringing home the Bearhawk B4 single-engine bush plane to our barn on River Oaks. We chose the quick-build kit from Bearhawk Aircraft, which is intended to reduce the build time significantly. It should be noted that it also reduces some of the skills you need to build the aircraft, since most of the welding and some of the sheet metal fabrication is done for you. We hope that by sharing this with you that you will get some idea of the experience and what preparation you should consider before taking delivery of a kit such as this. The kit, costing the same as a higher-end new car, is a big investment and you will want to do the necessary things to be ready. We have not yet made the final weather doors for our barn. The outer doors are traditional sliding barn doors that were built for me by our son, but are intended to be replaced by larger, insulated doors since the workshop area is having heating, cooling, and, critical in our area, humidity control. Because of this, we have a temporary inner wall in place. We had to remove these to get the parts into the barn. At some point we will have these doors fabricated and installed. Obviously, this will make getting in and out of the barn much easier. Until then, a few screws will need to be removed anytime we want to take the Riverbear outside. Although we own a 16-foot trailer with a vehicle ramp that we use for hauling our Kubota tractor and backhoe, we had to rent a 12-foot trailer from the local U-Haul because we wanted extra width of the U-Haul trailer as well as the much shorter tailgate that would allow the extra length of the Bearhawk kit to hang off the back of the trailer. We have a Ford F-150 truck with a towing package, so towing the trailer fully loaded was not an issue. If you don't own a suitable tow vehicle, you won't find the weight of the Bearhawk kit plus trailer to be a weight issue, but you may find that your local rental place may have reservations renting you the larger trailer you will need to support the size of the kit. It is not particularly wide, but the length is around 16 feet. Since our driveway is long and narrow and the delivery truck is a full-sized semi-tractor and trailer, we also identified an unloading location less than a mile from River Oaks. If you are thinking of ordering one of these kits, I recommend a little pre-planning and location scouting. You will find it will make the delivery experience faster and more pleasant. The semi-truck and trailer for delivery of Riverbear was brand new and our delivery was the only delivery they were making. The drivers were an older husband and wife team and appear to only support the delivery of kits such as this. They told me that they were headed farther north after our delivery to pick up Shelby Cobra replica kits for transport back to Texas. The trailer of the truck had an internal lift system with an exterior rail system that allowed the driver, with only his wife spotting, to pick up the single large package and load it into the rental trailer. We did need to provide one rolling furniture dolly that the front of the kit package is initially placed on to allow the kit to roll, and not drag, up the bed of the trailer. These dollies are inexpensive and can be picked up at your local Home Depot. The only other requirement you will have for loading is a set of cargo straps to lock down the load in the trailer to prevent any shifting while the Bearhawk is being transferred to its ultimate destination. We have multiple sets of the ratchet-style straps and chain sets that we use on River Oaks for a trailer, tractor, and a UTV, so we were already prepared for securing the load. If you need to buy these, there are a lot of options out there, including ones at Home Depot, but we use Rhino straps that are available on Amazon. To be clear, nobody is sponsoring us, so any product mentions we make are our personal recommendations or what we have available to us. If this changes, we will always disclose that we are being paid or sponsored. It actually surprised us how fast the unloading process was and how little we had to do. Although there were two of us and two of them for unloading and reloading the Bearhawk, I could have done it by myself, but it was faster and easier with the two of us helping the two of them. Thank you again for watching this episode of Riverbear. I hope that you found this short video interesting and, if you are ordering a kit or preparing to receive your kit, have some idea on the size of the kit and the planning that you must do before the kit's arrival. If you find this content interesting, I hope you will like the video down below and, if the mood strikes you, follow Riverbear on YouTube. Until next time, stay safe and may you always have fair winds and following seas in life.